guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapsh Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly check out the alarm feature in Casio watch. Because most Casio digital watch have similar alarm, features. So let's try to understand the alarm in Casio watches. It's going to be a quick video. So if you're coming to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. That would help me grow in YouTube. So I would request you all to please do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing, let's go to alarm. So we need to press mode. So this is the alarm that's available in Casio watch. Most of the Casio watch have similar style. Each will have 5 different alarms. So and there will be one more with just 00. So this is mainly for hourly signals. So suppose if you want to hear a beep every hour so that hour is completed, so you can turn this on, and when you turn this on, you'll see this SIG status in the top. So when you turn this off, that will be gone. So apart from this, you'll get to see 5 different alarms. So you can set 5 different alarms in Casio watch, and to turn it on, you just need to press this adjust button. There will be 2 kinds of one on and just on. So difference is one on will ring alarm only once. So if you have set the alarm for tomorrow, it will only ring tomorrow, that's all. It will not be set for any other days. So if you want the alarm to ring every day, then you need to set it to on, and this will make sure that the alarm will ring every day. So similarly, you can do this for the other alarms as well if you need to set it. And when you set any of the alarm, you'll see this ALM status coming in the top. So when you turn this off, that will be gone. So you'll hear an alarm something like this. If you long press this search, you can test out the alarm sound. So this is the alarm sound that you're going to hear. And apart from that, so let's see. So I'll show you how the hourly signal is going to sound like. So let me change the time. So let me set it to 59, and exactly at 3 you will hear a sound. So let me save this. You just need to press this adjust button to save it. So exactly at 3 you'll be able to hear a beep sound coming out because you have turned on the signal, hourly signal alarm. So let's wait for 15 seconds. So that's the sound what you're going to hear. So yeah, that's a little bit about the alarm feature which I want to talk about. So that's the same features that will be available in most of the Casio digital watches. So let me know if you have any queries regarding this alarm in the comment section. So that's all in this video, and I would request you all again to please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So that will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please do hit the like button, guys. If there are any queries, please post in the comment section. So that's all in the video. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.